Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to practice trading on Webull desktop. While the direct market replay feature for historical price action is primarily found on the Webull mobile application, the desktop platform provides an excellent paper trading simulator. This allows you to practice various trading strategies using virtual money, giving you a realistic feel for market movements without any financial risk. It's a fantastic way to hone your skills. To begin your practice session, simply navigate to the left-hand menu bar on your Webull desktop application. Look for the paper trading icon, often represented by a $sign within a square. Clicking this icon will seamlessly transition you into the simulated trading environment. Make sure you are logged into your Webull account to access this valuable tool and start practicing immediately. Once in paper trading mode, you can easily set up your simulated trades. First, select the stock or asset you wish to practice with. Then, choose your preferred order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the quantity of shares you want to trade. You'll be using virtual cash, typically starting with $100,000 to execute these practice trades. Paper trading on Webull desktop offers numerous benefits. It allows you to test new strategies and ideas in a live market simulation without risking any real capital. This is crucial for familiarizing yourself with the platform's features and order types. By consistently practicing, you can significantly improve your trading skills, build confidence, and gain a deeper understanding of how market conditions impact your decisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.